friends, BootScootin here with another lesson. Hope you're doing well. This is Gives Me Shivers, a very fun dance. It's an improver fall whirl dance. I would say it's a low improver. Beginners, you should be able to get this just fine. Let's get started with our steps. We're going to start off hopping forward with our right and meeting our left. So it's going to go right, left. Hold for count number 2. Then we're going to bump left, right with our hips. And then the other 4 counts of the first 8 count are kind of up to you. Style, what you're feeling, how your week's been going. You can go left, right, left, right. You can do some circles, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can go out, back, out, forward, whatever you like. So that's going to conclude our first 8 count. Second 8 count, we're going to take our right leg and cross rock across our left foot. Recover on your left and shuffle right, left, right, still facing 12 o'clock. Then you're going to take your left foot, do the same thing, cross rock, recover right, and do a triple step with a quarter turn. So left, right, left. Yeah. So we're facing our 9 o'clock wall. This is going to be the start of our third 8 count. To begin our third 8 count, we're going to cross our right foot and point our left, cross our left foot and point our right, and then do a jazz box quarter turn over our right shoulder. So that's going to go cross right, step right, cross left. Yeah, that is the end of our third 8 count. And our fourth and final 8 count, we're going to do some step touches or step cross, I should say. Depends on what you want. You can keep it simple and go step, touch. Or you can go step, cross. And to finish off, we're going to do a grapevine with a quarter turn over our right shoulder, so we end facing 3 o'clock. That's going to be out, behind, quarter turn, step forward on your left. Then you'll begin the dance again with right, left, hold. Yeah. So after that grapevine, right, left, the weight ends on your left foot at the end of the dance, so you can begin the dance again by going right, left. Okay. Awesome. Now, there are some variations for the ending. I'm going to cover that in the video. Stay tuned for that in just a moment. Let's walk through the dance a little bit faster with those steps. Here we go from the top. 7 and right, left, hold, left, right, bump, 6, 7, 8. Second 8 count. Cross, recover, shuffle, step, cross, rock, recover, shuffle, left, right, left with a quarter turn. Then we're going to cross right, point left, cross left, point right, and a jazz box quarter turn, right, left, going across. Then we're going to step, cross, touch, grapevine, right, left. That ends that quarter turn at the end, so we are facing our 3 o'clock wall to go into it one more time. Cool. Let's do it with some counts. Here we go, y'all. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Hold 2, bump 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cross 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. Third 8 count. Cross 1, point 2, cross 3, point 4. Jazz box 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth 8 count, step 1, cross 2, step 3, cross 4, grapevine, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're at the beginning again, and 1, hold 2. All right, let's do that one more time. We're going to speed up those counts. Here we go, 6, 7, 8, and 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Hold 2, 3, 4. Excellent, nice work. Okay, so I just want to make a mention of the last 4 counts of the dance. On the last 8 count, we went step, touch. I showed you a grapevine with a quarter turn at the end to get us to our 3 o'clock wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. Option number 2, if you want to pull it up a notch, is a rolling vine. So instead of a quarter turn, it's 1 1/4 turn. Same feet, you're ending at the same wall. That would go step, touch, quarter turn, half turn, step forward on your left. One other option, or one of other options, something that's popular in the bar, it's kind of hopping it out. It's got a little bye style to it. So it's basically step, touch, hop, 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 and one. Yeah. So you can add some extra upper body flair with that. Have a good time with it. Again, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. That gives me shivers. Have fun with it. See you out on the dance floor, y'all.